guys, welcome back to another autumn video. Today we're doing part 2 of the shotgun only challenge.
So you're going over to...
So, it's all the same rules. If you haven't seen that video, just go on my channel and subscribe and like the video and put all notifications on when I make a new, so you know when I make a new video.
I'm going to do that now. You stay there and then you get the glass of water.
Okay.
Thank you. I've asked Leslie to pop in and do the picture shop with bags there.
Right.
And we've got a few deliveries due as well.
Yeah.
So I'll catch Leslie.
Shut.
Come around. If you don't catch her, just shove James Keith in the door and I'll do it. She's just doing one today.
Why would I, Kaylin?
Thank you.
Because you send my video to trash.
Have a great time.
And you never say that on stream. Yes, it was. Now I have to delete that video. Anyways, I already deleted it. I need help, guys. Yeah. Yes. No. Oh yes. We are doing something. Yay. I'm going to do something over here. Oh no way! I just got purple tack. But I am taking everything. Oh, there's a shotgun here. I have 2 shotguns. James has 2 shotguns and 2 shotguns already. Oh, there's a upgraded shotgun here. I'll take that one. Okay. Wait, yeah. Guys, I'm not going to spend any gold because I only have 1,189. That's how much gold I have. Yep. Because if I wasn't, we won't be even doing this challenge right now. If I wasn't. Yeah, Tristan's right. We must head to zone. I have 3 green shotguns and 1 purple tack. No, they're not. Well, it doesn't matter because this one does repeatedly. No, I mean like faster. Oh, well, it's hard. Well, I think tack. Does anyone have any mechanical parts? Guys, what in the comments say if the tack's better than a pump shotgun. Why am I not drinking that? Oh, you guys left? Yes, we've already left. No, I mean like leave the area. Yeah. Are you kidding me? I just blasted me up. I just blasted myself up. Huh? After this match, 2 matches all this match. Guys, okay, 2 matches. Guys, you hear that? We're going to do 2 matches off this, see if we can get 1 victory. Which we totally won't. Never a victory, yeah, Fortnite bounce. Gonna get down, kills on the bed right now. Just right out Tomato Town. Who cares? Yeah. Never a victory, yeah, Fortnite bounce. Gonna get down 10 kills on the bed right now. Why say what you are, Tristan? You're a butt. Why say what you are? There you are. That's just food. Guys, we don't want arguing in the video. Yeah, no arguing. The storm died. I'm already running. Yeah, me too. I'm thinking of that exhausted than me. And all of you. Guys, golden shots. I try looking to it. I'm still dead. I know. Yeah, that's what I meant by the channels bad. Anyways, I offended you just because you said the quality's bad. Is this the best that I can get so far? I'm gonna be in this one for so long. Look at it, two like it. Are you kidding me? There's 2. There's 1 jumping boat thing in my box. Shockwave. Yes. I can get a car. Tristan, stop it. Are you kidding? Yay! Woohoo! That was slow. Guys, why did you forget all about James? Huh? You just all forgot about James. Come in! I'm literally gonna die! Quickly! Where'd they go? I'm literally gonna die! We're 58 feet! That's yeet over! There's no one in there. No. I heard that. I need it. Justin, James, James, what are you going to take one? I'm talking to James. Come on, take one. Good. Well, that means you're not going to be in a video ever again. Tristan, you'll always be in my videos.
Yeah.
You'll always be in my videos, Tristan.
Me too.
You guys need to start filming. Well, who cares? I have more. We're working together. We can work together for more, so we can like sort of connect our subscribers.
Guys,
Well, I don't want it. Well, if you're gonna say that the videos are trash, you can't be in it. Well, if you have a YouTube channel, you'll do the same thing as I do. Well, it doesn't matter. And the only reason you subscribe to Tristan's channel is because you're his cousin. Are you kidding? All purple stuff, but not attack. Not even a shotgun. Only a blue tack. No sand.
can I have a blue tag?
Same, I prefer them.
Does anyone have any
And I didn't even use any gold on it. I just found it.
and store circle? Oh, looky.
But guys, remember, this is going to be super hard because we can't shoot far with these shotguns. Why are you in a dance? I know, a purple scar. You know I can hear you. James is a something. I said something. I never said that.
I don't even care.
I said something, not a dumb thing. I know. Don't even tell me. Treat me fine. Wait. We could hide at the drop.
Yeah.
Just hide at the drop. So when people come over and open the drop, oh, there's a car here.
Can I get the drop?
Sure. Oh no. We might not be able to get you. I know. Don't forget about it. Sorry, Tristan. James is a post box. James is just running around as a post. I'm gonna pickaxe you through. I can't gather Max. I can't gather Max.
Hey, what?
Just lying about. Oh, he isn't a
I have a poke box. I have a poke box.
Cool. Come in.
Hey, well, show this to me, Rem.
No. I'm coming already. Found the players. Got him. Then I snapped him. There's 3 players left. And there's one right there. I waypointed. Ow! They probably have to go.
3 versus 3.
No, you can't make a shockwave bow. You can't even use a shockwave bow.
Come on, Keelan, just help us.
There's so much play. There's a full squad.
Help.
Oh, they hired. Guys, because that was a long match, we'll finish this match here, video here. So we'll be seeing you guys later.